Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be exploring how to write a paragraph for fictional stories. So, how can you write a good paragraph? Actually, you might wonder, what is a paragraph? So, in if you have read any novels before, you must have seen that, not even stories, you must have seen that they have like bits and pieces of text separated by an empty line. Well, that is a paragraph. Let's read the definition. A paragraph is a group of sentences about one specific idea or topic. They are separated by an inter, meaning an empty line. Example can be, hello, I'm Greta, and I will be cooking pasta. I love the color green as it shows nature. If we mix the color green and pasta, we get green pasta. So let's begin making green pasta. The recipe to make green pasta is. So this is a paragraph, a very weird one though. Now this part is going to be our inter, right? That's how we showed how we jumped from the introduction. So here she was telling what she's gonna do, and in the next paragraph she's gonna tell what the recipe to make green pasta is. There are 4 sentences in this paragraph, as you can see. Actually I won't count that as one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright? Normally, there are 47 sentences in a paragraph, but that is totally up to the author. 47 is like the standard expectation, not that you have to write 47 sentences. It's just like it would be nice. Okay? If you're wondering about how many sentences there should be, a standard number should be like 47, alright? Now, parts of a fictional paragraph. You've got intro, story, and communication. What is in the intro? This tells the setting, where and who. This answers the question and introduces the characters. So, where meaning where the setting is, what is it? That's not what is gonna happen, but where and who are the characters. All right. The red ball emerged out of the. Sorry, emerged out of the. No, the red ball fell back into the horizon as we see two shadows striding in the sunlight. Rosie and Amy are two best friends. They love to play with each other. In middle school, because of study, they can't play very nicely, but they try to balance their life with fun and study. So that can be a intro of the paragraph. Then story. This is the next part. What is happening? Why is it happening? And connects what we have told in the intro to the story. This evening they decided to go to Rosie's house. Now they were talking about having fun, so they decided to go to Rosie's house. Then they don't know what to do though. So next comes communication, in which the two characters start having some communication between them. And you need to remember one thing, that if you have two characters talking, when you switch to the other character, put that line, the thing that the other character is saying, on the next line. So let's understand this a bit. What about a slumber party? So we are connecting what they want to do. So what about a slumber party? Asked Rosie. On the next line, because Amy is speaking, so we went to the next line. Now, my parents won't allow that. Amy replied, turning down the excitement. All right. What about a board game night? And I didn't put anything over there because that's kind of common. And Amy replies, yes. Alright, that's basically how you can write a nice fictional paragraph for stories. And that's it from me. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.